Right away, I know what you're thinking. YouTube doesn't need another vacuum cleaner set up on it. But I came up with what I think is a unique solution to this problem. Rather than having to build another platform and take the casters off this vacuum cleaner, I utilized some of our friendly PVC fittings and got this to fit on those tube extension holders. So I built this, I got it all set up, and made this out of plywood. We don't need that part anyways. So I made this out of plywood. I off-centered it so that I could put an accessory tray alongside of it, behind it, and then took the dust deputy and stuck it on top. When I bought this dust deputy, I asked if they had hoses that came with it, and she said, sure we do, they're $25. So I ordered the hoses too. The only problem was they don't fit the damn unit. When I called the company and spoke to the young lady, I said, these hoses don't fit. She says, oh, you can go to the hardware store and buy rubber adapters. I said, if I wanted to go to the hardware store and buy rubber adapters, I could have used all the hoses that I have here in the shop that don't fit to begin with. So anyways, I had bought a 3D printer and I started printing my own fittings to get some of these hoses that won't connect with anybody else's hoses together. I used some more PVC to connect the intake of the vacuum cleaner to the intake of the Dust Devil. And so as I progress on this, I'll show you the steps involved. I'm just going to take and bolt this plywood to the top of this PVC unit, and then probably put a strap through the handle on the vacuum cleaner to hold the whole assembly together. And I'll have one unit that will be able to move around the shop.